commitment to shaping young people into responsible citizens and future leaders of our nation.
For 80 years, this council has stood as a beacon of hope and character formation, guided by the Scout of law, strengthened by unity, and fueled by the passion of volunteers and leaders who believe in the power of Scouting.
This Jamboree is not just a celebration of the past, but a living testimony of our enduring spirit. Over the next few days, this campsite will be filled with laughter, teamwork, challenges, friendships, and unforgettable memories. Tents will rise, flags will wave proudly, cheers will echo, and bonds will be built that may last a lifetime.
To our dear Scouts, this is your moment. Embrace every activity, learn new skills, meet new friends, and live out the true meaning of brotherhood and sisterhood in Scouting. Let this Jamboree ignite in you a stronger sense of the organizing committee. Welcome to this grand celebration of Scouting excellence. Mabuhay ang Scouting!
Mabuhay ang aming council, Camarines Resort Council.
Good afternoon guys, good afternoon. Dito tayo ngayon sa Pili, sa Camarines Resort. Ayan. Si yung bunso ko kasali sa Boy Scout. Dito sila magkakamping guys, oh. Layo ng nila guys, ayun, dun pa sa dulo. Layo nila. Gustong sumali ng binata ko dito sa sa Boy Scout. Excuse me guys, excuse me, naubo ko ah. Layo nila. Yan yun guys, oh. Ayan. Kabilaan, ayun sa dulo, yun, sa kabila. Ito pa. Ayan. Buong ito guys, buong Region 5, hindi ako nagkakamali. Pero safety naman guys, kasi may mga pulis ditong naka-duty araw-gabi. Ayan, malapit na tayo. Halo pala to, high school tsaka elementary.
Muli ba tayo tinit? Ado man. Sabi ko na ate ape. Ate ah.
Ito. Uy. May ano pala. Yeah.
Sabi na
Oh. Ano? Nakaluto na. Ah,
ay ang kulit ka magluto. Karon na natulos ang ulo na no.
Di pa siyang kaya kamo kinargananit sa ulaan ay.
Dapat may lamesa. Patungan ka gamit.
Pero kung di ako binayaan nila.
Patungan ini, uli ako ate eh, para automatic ko lamisa.
Sabi ko nagkaragad kong mo. Tapos naman ang lamisa.
At
Hanggang
bukasan
sandi
lang
pa.
yan. Bukasan lang yan.
Hindi ka bakal sa. Hindi ba dahil?
Ay, pinsa.
ayan guys. Pansamantalang dito naman na yung video natin guys. Mamaya paglabas natin dun sa may ano, may site kung saan andun yung okasyon talaga. Ito yung ano lang nila, stop over nila. Dito lang sila naka ano, stop over. Ayan. Dito sila matutulog. Ito yung tent ng anak ko guys. And dito muna guys. Bye bye. See you in my next video guys.